Okay, y'all. So today I have a ThinkPad T-61. I got this off a guy off Facebook Marketplace. He got it at a tech convention in Portland, Oregon. It's in great condition. The keyboard, excellent. So I've been preparing for this for a while. I did get a new Wi-Fi card. I got an adapter for the VGA, but I also got some RAM for it and a hard drive since it didn't come with one. I'm gonna have to make some modifications to this hard drive since the actual slot, it's if you actually stick it in the slot, it's bigger, so I have to make some modifications. But yeah, we're gonna be taking this apart and figuring this out. I'm gonna start by taking out the battery. I bought some tools for this, so hopefully they don't fail me. We're gonna need a different bit than that. Something smaller. This should do the trick. Can test out different bits. Wow, I'm gonna need to use like the pliers to get everything. I have fat fingers. That works great. All right, use that bit. Okay, so this says keyboard, and that was keyboard 1 too, but it's gone. So I can sort of just. I like how everything's labeled. It's kind of cool. Hi. Yeah, the cat's here. I don't know what's going on with that. It's not seeming to be coming out. Oh, no, gotta turn it a little bit more. Okay, well, there's that one, and there's that one, and that one's gone. A lot of these are gone. There's also this one, so I'll be right back when I get those off. Okay, so I got them all out, the ones with the keyboard symbol on them. So I'm not exactly sure how this works. Oh, what's that, kitty? Okay, he needs to sniff me first. I'm not exactly sure how getting this works. I mean, I don't know if there's different models, but this one doesn't seem like the actual oh, nope, it does come off. Wow, okay. Awesome. This is great. So one slight problem is the fact that so the system said that it was 2 gigabytes of RAM. However, I see 4 gigabytes of RAM here, and I already bought one of these. So I'm not exactly sure what that means. And I'm not exactly sure how getting these out works. let me figure this out. Okay, so one other thing I discovered is the fact that there is also a Wi-Fi card in here. Obviously there's gonna be one, but I don't even know if mine's any better, because what? Does it have a year on it? I don't know. But, like, they look so similar. Yeah. I don't know. Hold on. I got this one. Just for the fun of it, I'm gonna switch it out anyway, because I might as well learn. Alright. How does this come out? Oh. Holy crap, dude. Okay. Oh, I got one done. Okay. Grab. Okay, that's 2. That's 3. Okay, okay. I hope I didn't break anything. I don't think I did. Okay. Where's my screwdriver? There it is. Yeah, that's not working. I think this is too small. I love how I have to use like my tweezers to like get this stuff out. This is great. Hold on. Okay. It was too big. That's the problem. Okay. Okay, I can actually get it out with my hand now. That is great. Cool. Now we just... I don't know what's going on. I mean, what? This fits. No? I'm really having a hard time. I'm gonna just get back to you guys when I get that Wi-Fi card out. Okay, guys, so I figured it out. I was trying to do these screws. I don't know why. But I got this out. Oh, there's one more. Let me just... Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm impressing myself. Push down and grab that. Put that there. Booyah. Okay, let's move these out of the way. As well as that one. And there. So, let's see here. We have the new one and the old one. Two, 3, 2. I really can't tell which one's better. This one's got higher numbers. I don't know. Okay. And that's cold. Okay. We're just gonna put a... I don't know why there's a piece of tape there holding that wire. Hello? Am I doing something wrong? I don't know. Okay. Well, let me attach this real quick. Okay, so I got the connectors connected. And now... that's all good. So now I can put the keyboard back on. I like how everything is just so accessible. It's great. Like, genuinely, literally, all I had to do was just slide that right into place like that. Like, boom. Magic. So now I have to figure out how to get this RAM out. I will be right back. You guys, I kind of figured this out. It's kind of really easy. You just pull the tab out of the way. And it just clicks out. That's amazing. Yeah. Pull that and that. I don't know why it's not. I think I need to do both at a time. One sec. So, we have two things of RAM. We have this Samsung 1 gigabyte, and we have this 1 gigabyte. So this together is 2 gigabytes. However, I'm upgrading to 4 because I guess that's all this thing can have at this time. So now I just gotta put these in to into the computer. I don't want to break these. Let me just 1 sec. Okay, I got them out safely. So now we just kind of click these in. Oh, I love this. Literally just, I think it's literally as easy as, I think, I should just click in, right? Oh, wait, it's right. I'm having a hard time doing this because my fat fingers. Yep, right there. Yeah, let me try. Really, here, I'm gonna just mount my camera up. Oh, shoot, that's gonna make it upside down. I got y'all. There we go. Easy peasy. Anyways. Let me just sorta. And boom. I feel like that should be in more. Should definitely be in more. Yeah, it's not mounted. Hold on. Okay, y'all, I actually figured it out. So I just gotta kind of push it into there. Just gotta kind of get it and then push. pretty good. Can make sure. So, probably not supposed to be doing that, but yeah, everything looks good. So, this is the RAM, and that's the Wi-Fi card. So, yeah, and I'm gonna put this all back together and boot this thing up. See what happens. Okay. All right, y'all. So the screws are all in the battery. So, hoping this thing still boots. Also, let me plug it in. Oh my gosh. Boom. Okay. Boot this thing on. Let's go F1. Ooh, something's going on with that display. Okay. It's also dim. It's really dim. All right. We're in. This is great. It's all memory. Boom. It recognizes the RAM. That's great. Let's go diagnostics. Ultra Bay. All right. I'm gonna have to make some modifications to this later, but I forget how this goes in. Oh, let's see. Am I going just... No, like... Shoot. Hold on. Yeah. So... Oh my gosh, it stands 90 degrees. Anyways, this kind of goes here. And click. Yeah, so. And I'm not gonna connect. Is that even connected? Hold on. Anyways, y'all, hard drive, main hard drive is not found. I know this one is found. All right, so it's not even detecting the hard drive, which is not a good sign. One moment. Okay, guys, I finally got it to actually detect the hard drive. Because it's a newer one, it doesn't fit in this big thing, so I'm kind of like keeping it up with this. I might just cut this in half or something, or use my other one. But yeah, there we go. So yeah, that's great. So my next step is to install Arch on this thing, which I've never done before. So yeah. But yeah, there's my T-61 repair. So hopefully that was enjoyable to watch. Yeah.